What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to do a throttle position calibration using the RTune software and your PowerTRONIC ECU. So as you can see, I'm already plugged into my ECU and I've already pulled up RTune. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit connect up here. Now you can see we are connected to our ECU and I am in active map 1. At this time, we're going to come down here and we're going to hit receive. And what that's going to do is it's going to pull up our data for our map 1 tune. So first things first, you need to make sure that you pull in that data. So hit that receive button. After that, we're going to come up to these tabs and we're going to find the one that says config for configure. We're going to click on that, and right here, if this drop down is not in throttle position, go ahead and change it to throttle position, and we're going to hit the auto calibrate. So after we click auto calibrate, we're going to see this menu right here. It says to start the engine and let it idle, but do not do that. All you need to do is turn your key on and make sure you turn the ignition switch on as well. Once you do that, it's going to tell you to do 2 full rotations of the throttle and let them go. After that, the throttle calibration will be complete. So on this menu here, it tells you that you can rotate the throttle and check the dial. So as we can see there, we have full activation of the throttle. At this point, you will hit OK. And then you will need to come down here and click on burn. This will not save to your ECU if you do not click burn. So once we do that, it says burning data to ECU. If we wait a few seconds, it tells us burn to ECU successful. Now that calibration only applies to this specific map. So in order to do your other map, you'll need to come up to your switch. Now you're in map 2. Now, before you get started, you will need to hit receive again. So we click receive. So now that we've clicked receive and we are in map 2, we can go ahead and do the exact same process that we did before, and then we'll be good to go in both of our maps. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button for me, leave a comment if you would, and also hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys and have a good day.